welcome to Cheap Joe's. My name is Julie, and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today, I'm going to be talking to you about something that sounds weird, but it's really cool. And it's actually called Noodlers Ink. So this is a fine drawing ink that we have picked up in, I think, about a dozen different colors. This one is really fantastic because it kind of challenges your traditional thinking about inks and stuff like that. These come in a fantastic array of colors. I just got a couple of really interesting ones to show you here. But the cool part is the way that they layer, and they're so smooth and amazing and intense. They are made in the USA, and they actually kind of have termed their own inks as like bulletproof inks because they are resistant to solvents and various chemicals and bleaching agents that are in, you know, some typical drawing papers and stuff like that, which tend to, you know, kind of negatively affect inks from underneath over time. But this one doesn't have that issue. And I have found that these are a heck of a lot of fun. These are beautiful and brilliant colors, and I'll show you a little bit of what I mean. For instance, I have this one that's called Lexington Gray. So it is not a traditional black ink like what we might be used to. And you can see that this lays down very deep, very dark, layers easily so that you can keep building. It is absolutely beautiful. Like it a lot. I am actually testing this on some of the Strathmore 500 that we talked about earlier. Now, you don't have to just use this with a brush like what I'm doing here. As you can see, we're building up some dark grays in here. Really, really pretty color. But here I have just a glass pen. We are going to be picking these up for holiday and stuff. But I wanted to show you how this works. You just dip it in. That almost like twirling of the glass, it operates like a little fountain. So you can make beautiful, beautiful line work with this. And you don't have to come back and charge it that often, not like what you would think, but beautiful consistent line with this. We'll actually do a much more detailed, longer video where we're demoing this particular product, but I wanted you to see it in conjunction with how people are using these inks. So that first color that we just showed you was Lexington Gray, a much more typical color, not a black, but a deep dark gray. And this other one that I have here is called Navajo, which is extremely cool and probably not what you're expecting at all. Check this out. Ooh, it is this really, really intense blue. Like I said, it builds nicely. You can keep darkening it, and it goes on forever. It is extremely intense color and is really, really cool. So we're gonna dip this in here so that you can see how it works. You can stipple with it, just do regular line work with it, calligraphic kind of stuff. Really, really great. Cheap Joe's is going to be picking up a lot more inks, a lot more calligraphy supplies, hand lettering supplies, all those kind of good things coming your way. And just one of them is the Noodlers Ink. So be on the lookout for these. They are fantastic. Whole bunch of a library of cool colors coming your way right here at Cheap Joe's, and we are sure that you will enjoy.